Definitely a big one. Welcome guys, I'm back again. Look at it come, look at it, it's flashing like crazy here. This is going to be a crazy lightning storm. I've never seen it this bad in my life. Look at it go, wow. God's really fucking coming it down. Wicked. Oh. Yes. How many times it's lightning? Definitely gonna have power cuts today. Wow. We've got the fucking tree here. Guys, we've got a tree here and I'm worried about that tree getting struck. Whoa! Look at that fucking lightning. I've never seen it this bad in my life. Haha. Whoa. Whoa, fuck me. Flip. Yeah, look. Yeah, non-stop. Constantly flashing all the time. Yeah, I'm filming it at the moment, hun. Whoa. Yeah, you will. Come on, come on. Yeah, it's really bright here. You can see it over the mountains. But a lot of people said that there's going to be power cuts today. I didn't know this was coming over quite fast like this. I know. The sky's just lighted up. It's everywhere. God, this is the baddest one I've ever seen up here. don't worry about him. He
Yeah,
be,
because
he
of
might.
Sue.
Yeah, but Sue. No, Sue's alright. She just told me. I told her it's getting bad.
They've got to still want.
No, Sue told me it's okay. We got this. This is amazing.
Wonder if it goes. Because, yeah, it's changing weather.
Yeah, I know. That's why I had a major headache for.
It's gone now, is it?
What? No,
Your
it's,
headache.
yeah, my headache's gone. It gets really bad. The wind's well picking up as well. I love it. Just missed a big one over there.
I didn't. I see it.
I feel like it's a shame I can't go out in this. I might get struck by lightning now. I know.
I'm coming back with a cold.
I've just seen it over the mountains. I've just seen it all over the mountains, honey. Just trying to film over there. See if I can catch it all. Now it's pissing down. Whoa. It's like being back on Back to the Future. A storm like this, I'm worried about that tree. Are you worried about that tree? I am. What happens if it hits that tree? Fucking hell. This is definitely bad. I've never seen it so many strikes like this. Whoa. It's still there. I don't know. Whoa. Oh God. Oh my God. Whoa.
Hello?
I think Francis is not happy about this. Right, I've got to turn that off.
Turn the video off.
Yeah, I know.